All right, so I just got the DJI Neo with the headset. Oh my gosh, let's open it up and see what we got. Oh, scan the code before first use. Install DJI Fly app, watch the video, and read the user's manual. Well, probably good. Oh, here it is, right here. Let's get her out of there. Wow, small, but it's supposed to be powerful. We'll take it out of its wrapping. Looks cool. I'm already excited. Oh, there it is. Check it out. That's it right there. Okay. All right, so this must be where the battery goes. This is the battery. All right, so look here. It says, charge to activate, use battery before using the first time. Charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. All right, so we have to charge this. Let's say that. We'll put it right there. All right, so I'm looking for a charge port on it. I don't see it. All right, let's put it back on here for now. Oh, here, we got to charge it on here. All right, so that's cool. So we got to charge the battery first. Let's set that down here. All right, now you know there's got to be more here, right? So let's see what this is. I think this could be the headset. I don't know. We'll find out. It's got a little thing right there. Okay. Don't make this packaging too hard for me and the rest of the folks in the world. All right, what's this? Oh, okay. So this looks like the controller. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow. I just dropped a bunch of stuff on the floor. All right, what did I drop? All right, so we've got this. We've got extra rotors, USB. This looks like a hand control. Let's take a look and see. Because I think this would articulate with the, oh yeah, look. Okay. Okay, that looks cool. Set that there. Let me get this out of the field of vision. All right, so now we've got, this is the booklet and all the information on it. And this is the app. I already think I have an app because I already have another one. Oh, look at this. This is great. So I got the full kit, man. I got everything. I got the drone. I got the headset. I got the battery pack. I mean, check it out. So I could put the battery in here and then plug this in right here to charge it, which I think that's what I probably will do. All right, now I did drop a rotor, so you do get 2 of these. All right, so you get 2 extra rotors just in case you break them. All right, so that's pretty cool. Let's pull this out. We don't need that. Oh, here it is. This is it right here. Oh, God. Take a look at this. Oh, my gosh. This is the VR headset. Wow. You see that? Oh, my gosh. Look at that. You can tighten it in the back of your head. This goes on your eyes. It says, lens protector, it's reusable. So you might want to hang on to that. I think that's everything in the box. Is there anything else? No. So this is everything that comes with this. Let me set her down. Wow, that's amazing, right?